How's it going, everyone? My name is Rachel Angelo. How's it going, everyone? My name is Rachel Angelo. For those of you who don't know, this channel is all about spray painting. In today's video, I do not have a Marvel superhero, but I do have a superhero ready for you guys. In today's video, I'm sure as you saw in the title of the video, it's going to be the Green Ranger. And the reason why I did this is because I actually had a customer that wanted me to do custom work for him so that he can buy this painting. And I just figured, hey, why not record it? Because I'm doing superheroes so far, so just add something that's not really Marvel related superheroes to the superhero pile. This painting looks really, really awesome. I already messaged the customer who wanted this painting. He really, really likes it. I actually made two different paintings of it, but one of them didn't turn out the way how I wanted it to, but I'm not going to throw it away because it still looks pretty good, so I'm going to keep it. If you guys are interested, visit my Etsy shop. It'll be in the shop. My freaking dogs. Okay, Pebbles, you can shut up now. You too, Mabel. Mabel, be quiet, freaking dogs. Anyways, thank you guys. Oh, shit, an ant. I get distracted really easy, as you guys can see. Anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, help it grow, comment on what I should do next, visit my Etsy shop in the link in the description below. Thank you guys so much once again. Let's get to the painting. Let's get painting, guys. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I can fix that too. So this is the first painting that I made with the Green Ranger. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty good. It looks really, really good, as I said in the beginning of the video. But the reason why I don't really like it so much is because I don't. If I go real close, you guys can see the black crackle paint. But when I go like that, you can't really see it that well. So, and the reason why that is because I put a dark color, a dark green with black, and which made it really, really hard to see. You have to like get up real close to it to see what it is, which is why I like this one a lot better. You can kind of tell it's green, but it still looks pretty good. This is the design that I was really aiming for. It didn't even matter what the color behind the cracks looked like. I just wanted it to look like this. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what my first attempt was. These paintings look really, really great, in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, help it grow. Comment on what I should do next, share with your friends and family. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.